Ever felt that sinking feeling when tax season rolls around? Piles of receipts, a mountain of bank statements, and the looming question, where's all the money going? You're not alone. Keeping track of your business finances can be a daunting task, especially for the growing entrepreneur who's juggling a million things at once. That's where software like QuickBooks comes in. It promises streamlined bookkeeping, clear reports, and maybe even a little less stress come tax time. But here's the real question. Can you, someone with no accounting background, actually tackle QuickBooks yourself? The answer, like most things in life, is a resounding "it depends." Let's dive into the world of QuickBooks and see if you've got the DIY spirit to conquer your finances. QuickBooks 101, friend or foe? First things first, there are two main versions of QuickBooks: QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Desktop. QuickBooks Online is the cloud-based option, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. It's generally considered more user-friendly, with a clean interface and intuitive features. QuickBooks Desktop, on the other hand, is a downloaded software program that offers more customization but requires a bit more technical know-how. So, which one is right for you? If you're a small business owner with basic bookkeeping needs, QuickBooks Online is a strong contender. It allows you to create invoices, track expenses, and generate reports, all the essentials for getting your financial house in order. The DIY challenge. Are you up for it? Now, on to the big question, can you handle QuickBooks yourself? Here are some factors to consider. Comfort level with numbers. Do basic accounting terms like debit and credit make your head spin? QuickBooks offers tutorials and resources to help you get started. But if the thought of categorizing expenses sends shivers down your spine, it might be wise to consider professional help. Time commitment. Learning new software takes time, especially if you're unfamiliar with accounting principles. Be prepared to invest some initial hours in understanding the program and setting it up properly. Complexity of your business. Are you a one-person operation with straightforward finances? QuickBooks might be a perfect fit. However, if you have a larger business with inventory management, payroll needs, or complex transactions, the software's limitations might become apparent. Don't go it alone. Resources for the DIY bookkeeper. Let's say you've decided to give QuickBooks a go. Here are some resources to help you on your journey. QuickBooks support. Intuit, the makers of QuickBooks, offer a wealth of resources on their website, including tutorials, articles, and even free webinars. YouTube tutorials. There's a goldmine of free QuickBooks tutorials on YouTube. From basic setup guides to in-depth demonstrations of specific features, you'll find a video to address almost any need. Online communities. Don't be afraid to tap into the vast online community of QuickBooks users. Forums and Facebook groups are brimming with helpful advice and troubleshooting tips. Even with the best intentions and resources, there might come a time when QuickBooks feels overwhelming. Here are some signs it's time to bring in a professional. Frequent errors. Are you constantly struggling with reconciling accounts or making mistakes in your entries? Frequent errors can lead to inaccurate financial data, causing bigger problems down the road. Time constraints. Running a business is a time-consuming endeavor. If managing your finances is taking away from more important tasks, consider outsourcing your bookkeeping. Tax season anxiety. Tax season shouldn't be a nightmare. If the thought of filing your taxes with QuickBooks data fills you with dread, a professional can ensure everything is in order and maximize your deductions. The takeaway: be your own bookkeeper, but be smart about it. QuickBooks can be a powerful tool for small businesses, and with some effort, it can be mastered by the DIY enthusiast. However, it's crucial to be realistic about your comfort level, time constraints, and the complexity of your business. Remember, there's no shame in seeking professional help. A good accountant can not only ensure your finances are accurate, but also provide valuable insights to help your business thrive. Ultimately, the choice is yours. But with the right approach and resources, you can unlock the power of QuickBooks and take control of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.